Google Doodle pays tribute to espresso machine inventor Angelo Moriondo. The Google-hosted Doodle pays homage to Angelo Moriondo, the inventor of the espresso machine. Moriondo patented the first known espresso machine. On June 6, Google is celebrating the 171st birthday of espresso machine godfather Angelo Moriondo with a special Google Doodle, inviting all coffee lovers to take a sip in honor of the inventor. Created by Olivia Wen, the doodle is coffee-colored and contains a GIF of an espresso machine. While coffee was extremely popular in Italy, people spent a lot of time waiting for coffee to brew. Moriondo came to the rescue of customers and figured that making multiple cups of coffee at once would allow him to serve more customers at a faster pace, giving him an edge over the competition. Google said in a blog post, Moriondo patented the first known espresso machine. The machine consisted of a large boiler that pushed heated water through the coffee grounds layer, and a second boiler produced steam that flashed into the coffee layer and completed the preparation, the report says. Moriondo presented his espresso machine at the Turin General Exhibition in 1884, where it was awarded a bronze medal. He received a patent entitled, "New Steam Equipment for the Economical and Instant Preparation of a Coffee Drink," a method. Born into an entrepreneurial family in Italy in 1851, Moriondo never stopped generating new ideas and projects. His grandfather founded a liquor company which was passed on to his son, Angelo's father, who later built the popular Moriondo e Gorillo chocolate company with his brother and cousin.